Hello everyone, welcome you all to this video recording, and today we're going to learn about how to simulate the permanent magnet in COMSOL Multiphysics. First, when you click into the COMSOL Multiphysics, you will see this page, and first you click Model Wizard. After we click Model Wizard, we select the space dimension in 3 dimensions. So after selecting the dimensions, now we will select the physics which we want to study. We will choose a magnetic field with no current, MFNC, and we press add. After added, you can see here the added physics interface is here. So next one, click studies, and for the permanent magnet, we are measuring in stationary mode. So click stationary. You can read the description here. So after click the stationary, you click done. So after done, you will see the page like this. So firstly, we will move to the geometry here, and we change the unit into mm. Let's say you want to use meter or second. So basically we are using mm, and next we right click and you will see this, and we choose block for the cube permanent magnet. So next one, which is move to the side and the shape here. So basically the side and the shape here, the width is the x-axis and the depth is the y-axis. The height will represent the z-axis. So let's say width we put in 20 mm, which is 2 cm. Depth we put in 10 mm, and the height we put in 10 mm. So at here, the positions which is you want to relocate the design others than the origin. So we are choosing center here, which locate at 0, x equal to 0, y equal to 0, and z equal to 0. So after that we click build selected. So you will see this 3D block written here. So after you click this, we will move to the magnetic field showing here. So firstly, we will click right click and we choose magnetic flux conservation. So after you click, you can change the name the label into like magnet. So after you change the name in magnet, so you can manually choose the model you want to put magnetization. So after you choose, you can see one is added into this selection. So move down into the constitute of relation B to H here. For this, we are using magnetization effector, and we will make it the permanent magnet to magnetize in x-axis into x-axis. So I'm using N52 needle magnet. So let's put the magnetization into 860,000. So after added, we'll move to the geometry again to create the space dimension. You can use any of the shape. Let's say I want to use sphere here. So for this, you must at least cover all the permanent magnet here. So let's say the permanent magnet, firstly I set into 20, so now I click the dimension into 50 mm, which to cover all all around the permanent magnet. So if you select it, you can see the sphere is cover all the permanent magnet here. So after they build this, you need to qualify the materials which are using. So at this, the air will put the relative permeability into 1. So after you set the relative permeability here, which using the blank materials, which I show here, the blank materials. Then after that, you click the mesh with view off. After build, you see this display here. So after build the mesh, you click study and compute. So waiting few minutes or few seconds to let the calculation of COMSOL Multiphysics to finish. So after the COMSOL Multiphysics is calculated, we'll move to here to select the plane which you want to see actually. So we click the multi-slice here. And for this side, we select all the X plane, Y plane and Z plane into a number of planes. So we put so actually you want to see the permanent magnet in Y plane, so we put all the others plane into 0. So you press float. So and now you can see this is the Y plane. So after this, you want to check the magnetic field which flow inside the magnet. You right click at the magnetic flux density number here. After you right click, you choose arrow volume. So after you choose arrow volume, move down to the arrow positions. We change the grid volume. This we put 1 because of the we view the permanent magnet in Y plane. So this we put 100, and Z axis also we put 100. Sorry, 100. So we plot. Sorry. Okay. So we move down to here. To choose, move down the coloring and style here to choose the size of the magnetic field you can view. So after that, we move back to the multi-slice here to change the color. So I love to use heat camera light to view the magnetic field which generated from the permanent magnet. That's all for me. Thank you.